Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Anet, Ate Anet, sa magpipinsan, being the third eldest among the Dandan Apos. I'm here to speak about my short but sweet encounter with Victor. While Victor and I doesn't have any recent encounter, well, them being in the States, uh, I'm I'm glad that I had this bonding with him way back 2006, if I'm not mistaken, when I joined an exhibition in Chicago, and that being my first trip to US, sinamantala ko na mag-stop over sa LA, where most of the relatives were during that time. And my first stop was Cheche's. So needless to say, Victor and Cheche welcomed me to their home with open arms. Imagine, ako ang nasa master's bedroom, yung mag-anak nasa, I don't know, playroom yata ni Alexa yun. That time, Cheche was still working in the bank, so she has to leave me with Victor for the day. And Victor drove me around, kwentuhan kami, parang matagal nang magkakilala. Well, honestly, way back, when Tita Mile told me that Cheche is getting married, I had my misgivings about Victor. Well, mainly because of the age gap, the big age gap. But with that short encounter with him, nawala lahat yon. And I told myself that indeed Cheche fell for this intelligent and sensible man. Ang dami niyang alam sa buhay, ang dami niyang wisdom about life, work, about my business. Alam niya lahat yon. Well, siguro Cheche will agree na being the madaldals in the family, Victor is a good listener, but every time he opens and says something, he always have something sensible to say. And I feel so comfortable with him. And I knew right there and then that Cheche made the right choice. After that encounter, mga seldom family reunions na lang when they come and visit Pinas, because the last 2 visits we had to the US, nasa Virginia na sila. So we really didn't get to catch up. Then, if I'm not mistaken, they were here early this year, but their schedule was super duper tight, so they weren't able to accommodate our invite to see each other. But that's all right, so long that nagawa ni Victor yung gusto niyang gawin dito sa Pilipinas. So my only regret about that 2006 encounter was wala pang Facebook. So, kung meron man, I don't know about it yet, since hindi naman ako techie to begin with. So, I don't even have pictures to show to you guys. While I'm sure that I have a Digicam that time, and I downloaded tons of pictures sa desktop. Wow, desktop computer talaga. Which is also long gone. But thankful that I am for that short bonding with him. And I pray, though I'm sure na he's up there, being the good person and the good soul that he is, that he's with the good Lord now. So, Victor, we will surely miss you We love you and continue watching over your girls, Cheche and Alexa, until we meet again.